I must defend this city. But not with that gun. With this gun. I must defend it. By shooting everywhere! Got him. But hey guys, today we're back here. And I'm gonna make a little thing. So I'm gonna drop these shits off. Make it out over here. So then I'm gonna get over here again, and then I'm gonna get this shit, and I'm gonna fucking get it to work. Alright, so let me just power that shit up. Okay, let me move it over here. There you go. Let me pull it back over here. Right. Evan! No, Evan, no! Evan! Right, so this, let's see. So it won't connect, it won't let me up right there, so we'll leave it like around here, and then we're gonna go over here with this piece of shit. Alright, there you go. So there we go. Let me just drop something else as well. Let me see, let me drop this. Alright, we're just gonna get this just to test my car. It's gonna go far. Let me see. Yes. And finally. Like, finally. Alright guys, I finished the whole thing and I wasn't talking because I was trying to get up there. So I just stopped talking for a little while. Alright, now I'm going to get up here, spawn my car right here. Let's see how fast it could go. Let me see. So I'm going to spawn the car. Spawn a car right there. Right there. And then I'm going to move the car going this way, like. Look at this Lamborghini. Right. Let me just rotate it. Let me just rotate, you little dumbass piece of shit thing. There you go. Alright, let me test the fastest my car could go. And my car just gets stuck. Alright, there's something wrong with the street. We're gonna just put the car up top of Dale. And then we're gonna front. Here we go! You see like that? You see that? I was just skirting. Now skirt! See, the Lamborghinis aren't the fast, so I'm gonna see how fast the cars go. You know, this is one car. I'm gonna pocket some. So, like, I'm gonna go to corner and corner. And I'll park. Car. If you guys want me to play with other people, I could. Only just hit that subscribe button. That'll help me a lot. Just hit the subscribe button. Alright, so I'm gonna spawn a car right there. Are they on the top right there? Oh, he's on the top of the deal. Come down here, little boy. Alright, let me just rotate him like that. Right now, let me move him over here. There we go. That's a Camaro versus Lamborghini. Only if I had a guy to race, but I don't have a guy to race. Cause let me see. Let me spawn this car, bitch. Alright. Let me get this guy. And let me rotate this guy. Boom. Alright, we have one more room for one more car, I think. It's gonna be this car. Let's see if I have more room. I think I'll have more room, like more later. Let me see. And let's move a little bit more over here. There we go, guys. There we go. 4 cars. I'm gonna spawn one like this right here. And I'm gonna spawn one facing. They're going like that. See, and I'm gonna spawn one going like. Let's see, going like that. I'm gonna spawn one like that, but let me just rotate it a little bit. Let me move my car. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, I'm just gonna. Alright, guys. There we go. There we go. Wait, come back. There we go. Right there. Boom. I still need to spawn one more car. Alright, let me see. I need to spawn this car. And there we go. Let me rotate you. This way. This way, mister. It's in the middle of that car and this car. There you guys go. Alright, so now I'm gonna spawn a bunch of trailers and shit, and I'm gonna show you the car. So, these are all the cars I have. That's right. That's right. So you guys go. So let me spawn something right over here. Let me see all the vehicles. These are all the vehicles. In our time we call them cars. I don't have this object, I don't have that object. That was safe to say. Mostly all my cars are yellow. And I don't have a motorcycle, so don't. Holy shit! Alright. Woo! So, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Liking is not that much for me, but you could if you want to. And I will see you guys later in the next previous video. And